Alright, y'all. The pack has landed. I just got my package in the mail, and I'm almost certain that it's my Cactus Jack Mississippi State hats and shorts that I ordered about a month ago. But the box is so small, I'm like, dang, they fit all of this in here. But we're going to find out, y'all. Let's find out. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Yo, what's happening? It's your man, OG Bo Beats TV. Coming to you today, another special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's your man, OG Bo Beats, and I'm back with another video for you today. All right, so today, like you just saw in the intro, I got a package in the mail. I'm almost certain it's my Cactus Jack drip that I ordered about a month ago. I mean, I got the message that it was out for delivery, but the box came in and it was super small. I pulled out my Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott olive joints, still DS by the way, size 11. Don't know why I haven't worn. I'm gonna be honest with y'all because these is so hard to me, but I just haven't worn them yet. So I'm gonna see how these look with the new drip, because I think they may have similar colorways, but if not, it is what it is. But I'm gonna do the review for y'all, and we're gonna see what this new Cactus Jack drip is about. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know how you feeling about this, and let's get right into it. Boom! All right, y'all, so here we go, man. Here go this little small box I was just talking to y'all about. This box came in the mail. It's supposed to be my Cactus Jack stuff that I ordered. So one day, I think it was last month, it feel like it was a month ago, I got a notification on Twitter, or no, I actually got a notification from Cactus Jack, Travis Scott's website. You know, that's Travis Scott if you don't know. Rapper from Houston, does a lot of collabs with Nike and all of that. Does a lot of rap and music collabs with Drake and Kanye and all of that. So you know who I'm talking about. So I got a notification that he has some new items on the shop page of his website. So I go check it out, and boom, it's this whole college lineup, almost every popular college team you can think of, and they got hats, shirts, shorts, long sleeve shorts. I think they had sweaters and sweatpants. So I'm like, yo, is this for real? Because I'm thinking it's gonna fly, right? So I'm starting to go through stuff, and it's all available. It's available, and then certain stuff was gone. I think I was trying to get some South Carolina stuff, and then I was trying to get some Wisconsin Badger stuff, but it was sold out. So then I was going through and like, man, which college do I want to get? So I thought about it, and I said, well, I am originally from Mississippi, so I said, why not go with Mississippi State? It'll be dope. Plus, I like the red anyway, so that's what I chose. So it's been a minute. Finally showed up. I'm gonna see what this is looking like. First time with y'all. The box is still sealed up. A lot of people online, I don't know, they wasn't feeling it, they wasn't buying it. We'll see though, because if people starting to get their packages, I guarantee I'm gonna start to see some people posting it on Twitter and some outfits and some stuff like that. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's get right into it. So go ahead and open this up. We're gonna do a live first time review. Other than that, how y'all doing today? Hope everybody having a good day. Those Jordan 3 women's Georgia Peach shoes dropped today. The 3s with the Georgia Peach orange. Those is a dope colorway. Women's sizing go up to a 10.5. I wouldn't have got them anyway, but they dropped. All right, so I guess just like with some of the Supreme stuff I get, they stuffed all of this in the box. So I open it up, and the first thing I see is my Mississippi State hat. So let's go ahead and pull it out the box. All right, so boom, Mississippi State hat. Y'all check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out the package. All right, so this is a Mitchell & Ness. All right, Mississippi State Cactus Jack. Let's check it out. All right, so go ahead, check out the front, Mississippi State, and then you got Mitchell & Ness logo on the back, and then of course you got the Cactus Jack logo on the right side of the hat. So this is a pretty average hat. I'm gonna say the quality is average. This is like the thin fabric cotton material. It's not too thick. It's kind of lightweight, which is good. I'm glad it's a snapback, because sometimes you buy fitted caps and you may wear a certain size, but then the company that you buy from may make that size a little different. I've had that happen a few times. So this is a snapback. I'm not mad at it so far. It's a cool hat. All right, so let's see what else we got. That's pulling out these shorts. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, I was a little skeptical about these shorts because I was hoping that they would be some decent quality shorts. And we're gonna find out right now. Okay, now I got an extra large on the shorts because I don't like my shorts to be super baggy, and I think this might have been a good pick for the size on the waist. All right, so let me get a good look at these before I show y'all. So these got some dope embroidering on it. I'm gonna say that for sure. Cactus Jack logo. All right, not bad. All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Boom! Check it out. All right, so as you can see, these are some mesh basketball type shorts. On this side of the shorts, you see it says Bulldogs, and then it's got the MSU on the bottom of the shorts right there. So it's Bulldogs, and as you can see, this is pretty good material stitching right here with the embroidered letters, and then even this, the MSU is pretty good too. So not bad. All right. On the back of the shorts, see you got Mitchell and Ness, and then right here on the side of the shorts, you got the Cactus Jack logo. All right, so not bad, not mad at these. I was a little worried. I didn't want to get a 2X because I didn't want them to be like super big, and I actually think this is perfect. So I'm happy that I got the extra large. Now with the top, sometimes I run into issues with a 2X top. It's too big, or I'm sorry, with an extra large top, it's not quite big enough for me. So I got the top, and I got a 2X on the top. So we're gonna see how that plays out. So good thing about a 2X, if it is way too big, maybe you can wash it and dry it and it'll shrink a little bit. But if you get an extra large and it's just too tight and it doesn't fit right, then you just stuck with an extra large. All right, so let me see. Oh yeah, this 2X is perfect. So this is some good material. I was hoping they made these shirts the way this is, and I could tell this is a very kind of tight fitting 2X, or it's not like a super loose material. All right, so boom, right out the back, you see the Mississippi State shirt, and you see you got the Mississippi State logos right there on the shirt. Check that out. And then you got the Mitchell & Ness Cactus Jack logo on the bottom left of the shirt. And then of course on the right side of the shirt, you got another Cactus Jack logo. Make sure you can see that. Check that out. All right, and this Cactus Jack logo on all this is stitched, so I like how that feels. And yes, this is a 2X. Let me make sure there's not nothing on the back of the shirt. Nope, brown shirt. So that's what my Travis Scott says. So even though these are olive, I still say this kind of goes together. What y'all think? This is a nice little look. All right. Nice little look. So all in all, I'm not mad at this, man. This is dope. It's also the Mississippi State Bulldog logos. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty good right there. But that's the whole shirt right there. All right, so that's a dope look, man. I think this outfit is gonna be perfect. Another quick look at the shorts. Mitchell & Ness on the back, Bulldogs on the front. Cactus Jack logo. All right. So yeah, all in all, not mad at this, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this. Did y'all order some of this Travis Scott college gear? This was right around the time of the start of March Madness, I want to say, maybe. Somewhere around there, maybe the end of March Madness. But this dropped, like I said, it was super random. I didn't know this was about to drop. I ended up going ahead and buy. I think I spent like $250. If we being honest, I spent like $250 on this. I had to go back and look, so I ain't gonna don't hold me on that. But you know, Travis Scott gear, just like Supreme gear, is kind of hype beastie. So it is what it is, man. If you got some, let me know how you feel about it. I highly doubt that it's still on the website now, but you can always go and check the cactusjack.com or the travisscott.com, one of the two. But let me know how you feel about what I got. You rocking with it or not, man? It's your man OG Bo Beats. One last look at the Air Jordan 6. Air Jordan 6. Travis Scott olive joints. Dead stock. One of my favorite pair of shoes. One of my rare early got on some hype shoes. I can say I got these, the Kobe's, and maybe one or two more that's very rare to get. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. It's your man OG Bo Beats. I hope you like the review, and I'm out. Peace.